What if I told you every model on your screen was created from a single image in just a few minutes? Take a look at the reference images below and the generated models above. The details are incredible. No manual sculpting, no complex workflow, just one image and a fully detailed mesh, ready in minutes. And the best part, this runs locally inside ComfyUI. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to set up and use Pixal3d step by step. In the description, you will find the workflow link. Open the link. You will see our workflow file. First, download this workflow file. Click the download icon. The file will download automatically. Now open the reference images folder. Here, you will find sample images. You can use them for testing. You can use any image you want. These are only sample images. We will use them in this tutorial. Click the download icon on each image. All images will download automatically. After downloading, open your downloads folder. You can see the images here and the workflow file as well. If Trellis 2 is not installed, install them first. This workflow needs both. Without them it will not work. They work together. I will add the install tutorial link. You can find it in description. You can also see it on screen. Now, run ComfyUI. Open your ComfyUI folder. Run the ComfyUI Flash Attention file. I already have everything installed, so I will run Flash Attention. Wait a few moments. ComfyUI will open. Now ComfyUI is running. We have a blank screen. Now we need our workflow. Go to the Downloads folder. Drag the workflow file into the ComfyUI window. All nodes will load automatically. Everything is already set up. You will also see instructions. Some nodes include notes. You can read them anytime. First, upload your image, the image you want to convert into a 3D sculpture. Click Upload Image. Choose your image. I will use image number 1. Click Open. You do not need settings changes. This workflow works very well. If you want, you can change the output name in the name node. For example, I will use Test 1. Now, click the Run button. Pixal3d will download all models automatically by itself. It will place them correctly in the required folders. You do not need manual setup. Just wait. If you open the command window, you may not see activity because downloads run silently. Open Task Manager. Go to Performance. Check your internet connection. You can see data downloading. The models are downloading now. Total size is around 22 GB, so it may take some time. Just wait. After downloading finishes, generation will start automatically. You do not need to do anything. The models are downloaded now, and the workflow is running. If you check performance again, you can see the workflow is using around 7 GB. Generation is now complete. Our model is ready. Let us compare it with the original image. You can see it generated very nicely with great details. The face wrinkles are highly detailed. You can also rotate it and inspect every side. The model looks perfect. There are no holes, so details are clearer. You can see all details more clearly. This was our first humanoid sculpture generation. The result looks excellent. Just imagine how much time it would take manually to create this model, but we got it in just a few minutes. Now, let us generate another model. Upload the second image. In the file name field, let us name it Test 2. Then press the Run button. Only a few minutes pass, and our second model has also finished generating. Let us compare it with the original image. You can see the AI is doing an excellent job, even better than expected, especially with this model. The result looks amazing. Our first two models were simple humanoid sculptures. Now let us test a full body sculpture and see what result we can get. This mesh will be larger, so we will need more geometry detail. To increase the geometry, go to the Target Face Numbers node. Change the value from 1 million to 2 million faces. This will provide more geometry detail, and help generate a more detailed model. Now let us run it and see what output we get. Our third model has also finished generating. Let us compare it with the original image. You can see it generated an extremely detailed sculpture in just a few minutes. And the best part, there are no holes in the mesh. Normally, AI-generated meshes often contain holes, and we have to generate them many times to get a clean result. But this AI model is truly impressive. I do not think there is a better model available right now. Trellis 2 is also good, but for mesh generation, it does not create such detailed clean meshes. If you know any other open source model that gives similar results, let me know in the comments. We will compare it in a future video. If you have questions, ask them in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you do not miss future tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and share it with as many people as possible. Your support is my biggest motivation. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.